the bunker and you won't feel a thing. In the lab, inhaling vapor from the toxic rays.